Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is a Crochet Carousel package update. It is Monday, July 2nd, 2018, and I am here to let everybody know that the Crochet Carousel package was mailed off today to the first person on the list. I will have everybody's names down below in the description in the order that they are receiving the package. And here is my postal receipt. The first person on the list is Jane. Jane is Scraptastic Yarn Podcast. So please make sure to go subscribe to her if you're not, so that you can see the package when she gets it and what she takes out of it. It should be delivered to her Thursday. That's what they're saying. July 5th. She should get it. So Jane, if you are watching, please be looking out for your Crochet Carousel package to arrive on Thursday. Everybody, please make sure to check everybody out down below. If you have not subscribed to them, subscribe to them so that you can watch the progress of the package and you will know where you're at on the list. Let me see, I'm trying to think. I still have, I think, 4 or 5 people that have not emailed me that they got their names. So if you have not emailed me to let me know that you did get the name of the person you are sending to, please take the time out to do that when you view this video. I would like to know that everybody has their names and not be a surprise when the package shows up. So please take the time and let me know that you have received the name that I sent you. Okay, I think that does it. I emailed everybody. You should have all of the rules and information in the email along with the name of the person you sent to. So make sure to, review the rules and the instructions. And yeah, I think this is going to be really fun. And I hope you all enjoy participating and being a part of it and kind of destashing and maybe getting something new or different for yourself. So anyway, this is update number 1, and I will be doing probably another update in probably 5-6 days, something like that. So anyway, everybody have a great day.